In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a page in Google Docs. So let's open a blank document and I will show you how to do this. And inside the Google Docs, I will first show you the hard way to do it, and then I will show you the easy way. The hard way to do it is actually if you click enter, and it will automatically make another page, as you can see here. But the easy way to do it is to actually click insert, and then you go down to break, and then you go to page break. And as you can see, we now have another page. You can also click or type on your keyboard Control Enter, and as you can see, we now have another page. So this is how you add a page in Google Docs. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.